What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the JWT token request process in Postman. Yeah, so let's get started. So as you can see, I have created a new collection here called Auth, and I have created the endpoint to retrieve the token. I can send this, and yeah, so this is a token that you are getting from the login endpoint. So let's see how you can use how you can assign the token to collection, and then how you can like automate the JWT authorization process. So first of all, in this collection, I'm going to create a variable. Let's call it token. Yeah. So you don't need to specify any initial value here. I can save it. And then in this pre-request script, what you need to do is you need to call the relevant endpoint, and you can assign the retrieve token to the variable. Yeah, so let's see how it's done. So PM in Postman. So I'm sending the request now. So this is the URL. So if you can see, this method is post. If yours is get, you just need to put it here. So in my case, it's post. So I'm gonna put post here. Then the header. Can define content type as application slash JSON. Next, request body. So I'm gonna select mode as row. So since it's a JSON, I should use JSON.stringify. Uh, then you can simply copy these values. This is the same body that we are like passing. Let's format those. So I have modified the body. Awesome. So this will send the request, and then we need to handle the response. So what I need to do is I need to assign the retrieve token to the collection variables. So my variable name is token. So I'm gonna add the variable name here, and then so this is my response, and I have the token directly inside the response. So you can use res. Sorry, first you need to convert that to JSON, then the token. Okay. Yeah, now you can save this. So in my Swagger, you can see like another endpoint that I have created. So it's returning 401 since it's not authorized. So let's create a new get here. So again, once you send it, you're gonna get 401 authorized. Uh, then if you want to use this variable, you can go. So let's save this. Save it. So you can go to Auth tab, select bearer token. So in my case, the token name is, yeah, this one. Awesome. Okay, so let's send this. So you get the data, and if you open the console, let's clear the console. You can send this again. So note that each and every time you send this request, first the login request, the login API method is calling, and the collection replace this variable with the token, and then our API method is taking that variable here. And as you can see now, since we have like sent this request, the token is replaced with the actual token. Yeah, so if you have like new endpoint, I don't have anything at the moment. So let's say you have something like this, and what you need to do is you need to go here and note bearer token. Yeah, this will automatically select the variable name. So you don't need to like type and then the token each and every time. So this method is so much easier. Uh, because like sometimes the token might expire. So in that case, since you are like sending this, the new token will be automatically fetched and assigned. uh yeah, so that's it from this video. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this useful. Yeah, see you in another video.